Just a quick video on how to install the lawnmower bag on a Ryobi mower. And the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure you've removed your batteries from the mower. And then from there, you're going to go to the back of the mower and you're going to lift up the spring-loaded door. And there's a plug here, which you need to have in for a normal operation if you're not bagging. And basically there's this little handle that you need to grab onto and kind of gently wiggle and pull it out. If you haven't used the bagger before, like me, then it's probably gonna be full of grass and stuff, which is gonna make it stick. And from there, you just need to grab your bag and you'll stick it into the top with the letters in their proper orientation, like so. And you'll see this metal handle here. I don't have enough hands. You'll see this metal handle on top. Basically, it's easier to hold on to that and use that to guide the bag in. So you'll lift up the little trap door and you take the bag and you'll slide it down along the back until you feel this little hook that's on each side. You'll feel them catch on the little plastic hooks on the mower itself. And then just make sure it's fully seated into those two hooks. And you just let go of the spring-load cover and it'll hold everything in place. Now, this is kind of a gravity operation more than anything else. So if the bag's not sitting flush against the back of the mower, it may leak grass, because as you can see, it's not focused properly. It's kind of floppy. There's nothing holding the bottom. So you'll definitely, when installing the bag, want to make sure that the back of the mower is clear of any debris. So hopefully that's helpful, and thanks for watching.